Today, we'll be taking a look at the pressure switch on this LG front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this top here. Of course, it is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the back. Next, be very careful. Let's slide this sharp metal off, lift it up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the top panel removed, we have clear access to our pressure switch. Now, the main reasons why you'd be replacing your pressure switch is if you are throwing a pressure switch error code or throwing a drain error code. The way this operates is as water is filling up the drum, it pushes air up this rubber tube into the switch. The switch kind of turns, it measures resistance, and tells the board, hey, I'm full of water, or as the water is draining, the air starts to reduce, and it tells it that it is done draining and to go into spin. Now, the first thing I would do if you have one of those error codes is unplug the pressure switch, and then on the side here, we have just a little locking tab. Use a tack puller to go underneath the edge and just barely lift up, give it a twist, and we can pull off the switch. Next, you'll want to remove the hose here. Just give that a little twist and pull it off. Before you replace the actual pressure switch, make sure you blow in the hose to ensure that that is clear and there's no holes inside of it. As long as that tests okay, set your pressure switch to the side. When installing your new pressure switch, first we're going to put the hose back on, and when you put it on, I want you to sit it about how it's going to sit when it's mounted. That way the hose doesn't get twisted. And just slide it on that little nozzle there. Then we want to put your pressure switch to the side, slide it in the provided hole, and give it a turn. It'll lock it in place. Reinstall the Molex. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top panel, be very careful. We don't want to slice and dice. Just go ahead and sit it down. You'll want about 1 inch away from the front. That's where it actually drops down. And then you can slide it forward and it should match up with the front. Let's reinstall the 2 screws on the back. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.